Hello everyone and welcome to our Tech Tuesday tutorial number 64. Today we explore Google Takeout, Google's service for exporting all of your data. If you have a business or school account, you're fairly likely to either graduate or move to another job at some point. You might also want to change your personal Gmail address. Maybe you realize that brony1337@gmail.com was not the best choice for your email, or maybe you got married and your old email still uses your maiden name. Maybe you're just sick of Google and you want to jump ship entirely. Either way, when that happens, what do you do with all your data? Google's co-founder, Larry Page, once said that you should make it easy for people to leave your system so that you have to work that much harder to keep them. Google has certainly done so with Google Takeout. So head on over to takeout.google.com and take a look. You can export a copy of nearly all of your data with just a few clicks. You simply select the products that you want. By default, they're all selected, but you can clear them by selecting none. And then you go in and choose what products you would like to export. Note that you can drill down on them and include only parts of them, certain calendars, for example, or certain files and folders in Drive. Once you've selected all of them, you can then export just that bit of data. Now just look at how much stuff is here. All of this can be packed up and taken with you. Now, I want you to just think about this for a moment. Think about how significant this is. How many websites or services would make it this easy to export all of your data? I mean, my bank and credit card companies won't let me do that. I can get maybe 6 months of statements, tops. Try this with Facebook and get back to me. So you simply just go directly to takeout.google.com, flip a few switches, and you have everything that Google knows about you. You can then just export that, and you can even delete your account permanently. Not disable, but delete, and it's really gone. And no one can use that email address ever again. Right, so once you've selected things, hit next. Then you can customize the file type for the archive, whether it's a zip or TGZ. You select the archive size that you would like to have. That's how big each file will be. If, for example, you set it to 2 gigs and you have 4 gigs of data, it will split it into 2 different files. Then the delivery method, whether or not you want to download via email or you want to add it to your Google Drive as a file or something else. You can even add it to Dropbox or OneDrive or even Box.com, which is kind of strange that they'll export it to a competitor like that. You click on create an archive and at that point it's ready to go. Note that the data is still in your Google account though. It downloads a copy of it. It doesn't delete the original. You can delete that when you wish, or maybe you just want to make a backup every year or something. All right, well that's about it. It's simple, it's fast, and you have full control over that data. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you found it useful. And if you did, go ahead and hit that like button. Heck, why not support us and click that subscribe button. Leave a comment or an idea for a Tech Tuesday video below. Share this video with your friends, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.